Hey you, what is up? How's it going? This is Kazi from cleverprogrammer.com. In this video, I wanted to share with you the best goal tracking app for aspiring Python developers or developers in general. And like somebody said a few days ago, they're like, hey Kazi, you forgot to put 2019 in that video. So in this video, the best goal tracking app for Python developers in 2019. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. I've always wanted to put my own ad at the start of my video and at the end of my video. So this is gonna be super awesome. But I have a special announcement and I do wanna say this. I've been planning to put this together for a really long time. It's finally come together and it's an unbelievable program. I'm gonna talk more about it at the end. I have something very special for you, okay? If you've ever wanted to make your first $1,000 from programming, coding, all right? If you ever wanted to learn how you can freelance and start earning an income from this, if you ever wanted to learn how you could 10x your productivity, learn the tools, strategies, and frameworks to take your skills to the next level, and learn how to freelance with it, learn how to have more time, money, impact on this world, okay? If you wanted to be able to do all of those things, well, I have a thing for you. I'm gonna put that at the end of this video. Enjoy this video, you're gonna love it. And at the end, I'm gonna show you what are the steps you need to take to jump on this thing. Let's do this. This app that I wanna show you guys, it's really cool. It's beyond just an app. I want you to really get this idea down, and then you can obviously use the app to make sure that this idea is taking place for you as you go along. Now, especially as this year has started, you know, I've been making these videos on being consistent, being disciplined, having goals, tracking your goals, and having systems and processes in place. So today what I want to give you is a way to actually track those goals, making sure that you are moving with it one step at a time. For example, one of the goals that I'm doing and leveraging this app to help me to do it is making a video every single day. So this is the continuation of that challenge. This is video 12, day 12, all right? And I'm doing one video a day. So if you want to use this challenge to catapult yourself and do a coding challenge with me for, let's say, 30-day coding challenge with me, you can add me on Instagram and you can follow everything that I'm doing, because all the behind the scenes juicy stuff where you can actually get true inspiration from is on my Instagram at cleverkazi, okay? It's also a lot easier to get in touch with me there. What you can do is you can take a little picture of you coding. When you're coding, you could say at cleverkazi and then do hashtag 30 days coding challenge or something. This way you can keep yourself accountable, and if you tag me, I'm gonna respond to it. It's gonna help you stay more accountable, okay? It's just gonna help you a little bit more. It's something that helped me, that's why I am mentioning it here, okay? So with that said, let me continue on with this video. So now, you wanna be able to track your goals, have something that tracks and helps you build that habit of putting in hours of coding every single day, okay? So if you're a beginner, you might wanna put in, let's say 30 minutes to an hour every single day, if not more. If you also want to put something in like gym, you want to be able to do that, okay? But there are a few things that you need. Now, let me talk about like why this never worked or helped me in the past. So I would always get some kind of app, or I would try to use spreadsheets to track my goals, or I would use paper to track my goals. Whatever I use, the problem a lot of the times I would have is that it just didn't sit with me. So one, I either didn't like the user interface and I didn't end up wanting doing it, okay? I wasn't getting that dopamine rush of wanting to do it, so I would stop. Other reasons why I would stop is like I'll forget what the app is or how it works, or it was too confusing how it worked. Other reasons why I also stopped was because it didn't have a way to tell me how something looks, or an easy way for me to look at a chart or a graph and be able to know, oh, visually, I can see my data, I can see my progress. So for example, if you're coding for 10, 20 days and you're on a streak, you want to be able to hit one button and see your coding streak in that entire month visually. Like there should be like a bar graph that says you've coded for 20 days in a row, right? And if you're breaking that streak, you should be able to see that as well, and it should notify you before. And there are all these little things that help you with that habit. But then you also want something simple enough that you can use all the time. Now, I'm not gonna tease you more about it. I'm gonna show you what the app is. So let's go back to the app. Okay, so the app, as you can see, I'm gonna show you my screen. The app is called Done, D-O-N-E. It's an iPhone app. You might be able to use it for Android, but I don't think there is one for Android. Maybe you have to find some equivalent. But for iPhone, this is the app that I found to be an amazing app. All right, so App is called Done, and as you can see, I have very few goals on this app, okay? So for me, I don't have coding because I'm pretty decent at coding, but more than that, I mean, obviously I can spend the rest of my life mastering it, but it's something I already enjoy doing, I like doing, I've had the habit of doing, so I personally don't need to put that in, right? So what I have, for example, is I have YouTube at the top. This way, if I do a YouTube video like I'm doing right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit this button where it says 2, and right when I did it, you can see that it looks juicy, and now it says YouTube is 1 out of 7 complete, okay? And I've set it to be like this weekly streak. And now, if I go to the gym, then I can hit the gym, but I didn't do that yet. For my email, I want to do 1 email, 4 emails a week, and I haven't even done any today. And then I also want to be able to track my diet. So these are my 4 goals. For example, for yourself, what you could put is let's say 30 minutes of coding or 1 hour of coding. Put something that you're actually gonna do and be consistent with, okay? So let's say you put 30 minutes of coding, or you could put something like drink water, all right? Make sure, one thing I'm gonna tell you about goals is make it very simple. For example, I also wanna track my body weight. I also wanna put singing classes. I also wanna put going out. I also wanna put networking. But if I put so many things, I'm probably gonna stop using this app, probably gonna stop tracking my goals, okay? That's one important tip I wanna give you. Now also what I can do is I can click inside of it. So let's say where it says YouTube, I go inside of it. Now, obviously I can go here and say, oh, I actually, you know, I'm gonna go tomorrow, or let's say I go in the past day and I say I did 3 YouTube videos, but let's keep it where it is. I can see my goals and my streaks, okay? So all the red ones, you see circular ones, those are all the days I made a YouTube video, okay? I can also click this button and visually see what I'm doing, how many videos I've been making. And let me go back to the app real quick. And if I go back to the home page, and now I hit the chart button, and I hit, let's say, month, you can see that in this month of February, you know, I did 1 video on the 1st, I did another video on the 2nd, I did a few videos on the 3rd, then I did a video on the 4th, okay, which is today. I went to the gym once this month so far, I wrote 3 emails, I did tracking my diet. So you can see visually it can show you your monthly goals, your yearly goals, and also makes it really easy for you to track your goals. And it's literally that simple, okay? I'm not sponsored by this app. They're not gonna pay me any money. Even if they paid me, it would have been like pennies. Yeah, like this affiliate stuff people do with coupon codes and t-shirts, you're not gonna make any money, so don't do that type of stuff most of the times. But anyways, that's my way of saying that I'm not sponsored by them. It's just that amazing, that helpful for me at least. I hope it is for you as well. Give it a try, download it, and every day, you know, just click that button, keep that streak going, right? There's something sexy about that streak. So if you have a streak going, you don't want to break it. So you saw I had this streak of YouTube and I had the streak of gym. I don't want to break it. I want to keep it going. There's something satisfying about it. And what I want to do is I want to be able to gamify my life, make it so interesting, exciting, where I get these dopamine rushes from the successful things I do, right? Like for example, why is gambling so addicting? Why is doing stuff that's not good for you so addicting? Why is playing video games so addicting, right? Why is playing World of Warcraft so addicting? Well, why is going on Instagram or Facebook looking for notifications so addicting? Yet when it comes to doing the really right stuff to have a successful life, to become a successful, profitable developer, to become jacked in the gym, to be better at relationships, to have a better dating life, why does that not seem addicting? Why does that not make you want to wake up faster, work harder, work longer, achieve more, and just have more fun? Why doesn't it give you those dopamine rushes, right? Why do you need such strong whys to do them? So I've always wanted to like gamify the right things that I do in my life, so I get these, like how, you know, like some kind of crack addict wants to just inject himself. I want to be able to feel that. I know somebody said like you look really good when you do that, you know, like you look like a pro, but I haven't done it in real life, so I wouldn't know how it works, but I've just seen enough videos. And what I want to say is I want to essentially feel that rush of like I'm getting high on life. And so this is one way for me to do it, okay? I go here and I hit a streak and I'm like, ooh, ooh, ooh. and I'll go on Instagram and I'll, you know, post day 2 streak or day 5 streak and give myself these little dopamine rushes to essentially do the things that keep me on track and make me successful. And if I keep doing this, you're gonna see, and I'm committing to this, but you're gonna see that this year the YouTube channel is gonna freaking explode, baby. And we're gonna have lots of courses coming from Clever Programmer, lots of awesome stuff coming for free, and it's gonna be essentially all because of setting goals, tracking habits, being disciplined, being structured, having a vision. And one tiny way to do that is getting this app, for example, done, or having some way for you to just do it manually, right? Even if legal pad helps you. So with that said, this video is all about emphasizing the power of having a goal, setting some kind of discipline structure around it, getting yourself to feel those dopamine rushes as you achieve those goals, making success feel like it's a drug, and just, you know, enjoying life while crushing it at the same time. So I hope you crush 2019. I hope that you have one of the best years of your life, because I know I will. And with that said, I love your beautiful face. And as always, thank you so much for watching. And before I end this video, if you have been loving it so far, please hit the juicy subscribe button, okay? Really helps out the channel. Hit that bell button so these notifications come out to you, so I can give you these tips, tricks, sexy bajiks, whatever, sexy chicks, you know, through these tutorials. And with that said, please like this video as well so it helps out the channel. I love your face, and I'll see you in the next video. I have an incredible video that I want you to go and see that I've put together. Okay, this video is unbelievable. This video will show you how I went from being a dumb, broke Oakland Community College student to making $104,000 a year as a developer. I put together what would it mean for you if you made your first $1,000 from coding? What would it mean for you if I revealed to you my step-by-step system that I used to go from being completely broke to then learning how to code in just a few months, landing my contract as a freelancer with Python, and being able to make $20,000 while I was a terrible Oakland Community College student, and to then being able to live the lifestyle I want on my own terms and have the ability to have my own time, freedom, money, and have the ability to make an impact on the world. And at the same time, travel with my friends, be there for my family, you know, when we hit 300,000 subscribers, go to all these events. Even now I'm in Miami at 10X Growth Con with Grant Cardone. How does that lifestyle come about? As a Python developer, I was able to create that lifestyle for myself. And in this video, I want to show you that how you can do that for yourself. Take students like, for example, John Navarro, who went from working with me from complete zero to becoming a senior data scientist, or Nazar Mali, who landed a $130,000 contract and now he's moved to Germany with his family and living an amazing life, or a Fareen Sheikh, who was able to make $20,000 after she took one of our programs. But before we continue, I do want to talk about the opportunity that exists in 2019 and moving forward as a Python developer. So please go watch this video. It's an epic video I've put together. Click on the link below in the description and it's gonna take you to it. With that said, thank you so much for watching. As always, I love your face, and I'll see you in that other video. So go click there. I'll see you right there. Click there. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Ah!